Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to cook black soup. Authentic, delicious, nutritious Nigeria black soup. And this is Edo State style black soup, if you must know. And if you like to know how I made this, please keep watching. First and foremost, we are going to dissolve the panot extract cream. So we are dissolving into its hot water. So if you are opportune to use the fresh ones, good for you. So here, this is what I have. And after dissolving, I will allow it to sit for some few minutes. Yeah, for a few minutes before transferring it into another pot. And then I will bring it to a boil. So next I will go in with seasoning cube, some bladed crayfish, fresh mackerel fish, and some chopped onions. And after that, I'll go ahead to blend the leaf. In here, I'm using bitter leaf. You can use any other vegetable you prefer. So I'm blending the bitter leaf with Scotch bonnet pepper, which is fresh pepper. And I'll do that off camera. So at first, I purposely allow the panot extract cream to boil down for some time because I want to remove some oil. Some of the oil, I mean. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for your time and support. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. So right now, I just added the blended bitter leaf and I'm going to mix thoroughly and gently because I don't want the fish to scatter as usual. And this is the oil I extract from the panons. So I'm just going to keep it aside to be used for another soup, probably oil rice. So right now I'm just going to add the pre-cooked proteins, which is the meat. And I'm using some cow food, cow tripe, which is turkey, goat meat, beef, and stockfish. Then I will stir gently. So finally, I will add some salt. Yeah, if you notice, I've not add any salt. So one tip I will give with the salt, wherever you are cooking black soup, banga soup, please add your salt at the last minute. Yeah, last minute. Because if you add your salt from the very beginning, as soon as the soup gets thick, this soup might come out very bad. Yeah, very, very bad. So don't make that mistake of adding your salt very early. Add it at the last minute. From there, you will know the taste of what you should add or what you should not add. So right now, I'm going to just give it some taste. Then I will leave it for about 5 minutes. At this point, the soup is ready. So next, you are going to serve and pair with any pando swallow of your choice. And I'm using pounded yam here. So guys, if you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.